Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
So as you can see, LMC truck box. Let me stop this microwave from popping. So we're gonna open it up, see what it is. I got an idea what it is. Honestly, I forgot what it is. So I'm gonna look in the box, get a reminder. Okay. All right, y'all ready? All right, so this is a brake. This is the parking brake line from one of the sides. So what did I order? So I ordered cable, brake, cable connector. Okay. All right, so these right here are the lines that are that go across the axle. Right, rear axle brake line sets. So these, y'all know my other ones was kind of damaged. And so originally I was going to buy some line, bend some line, and then, yeah. After doing it for the front, I realized kind of how difficult it was. So I said, no. We're just gonna buy the lines, put them on there, and then go from there. So it's really only the one on the passenger rear that need to be replaced, but we'll see. Might as well go ahead and do it all. Oh yeah, I think I did opt to just get one side. I think I've looked under the truck since then. So yeah, this is brake cable seals. This is like a boot. This looks like a little retaining clip or something. All from LMC truck. And then this is the brake cable connector. So this is what connects this here. So this end here goes inside the back of the thing, whatever. And so this in turn goes inside of here, and then it connects to the cable that goes to the front. I think I did only buy one side, now that I remember, because I wasn't sure. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go back and order the other rear brake cable and the rest of the connectors and stuff. Now that I see exactly what it is. So that's it, man. Most C10 update. Like I said, this event coming up in October. I want to try to have it done, but it seemed like whatever steps forward, some steps back taken as well. So I was like, what are you talking about, Ellis?